Hey y'all. So these kids coming down here to some mama. Where the snacks? Snacks. I didn't have time to go to the store and buy some shit or fight with y'all over some shit because I was in New Orleans, baby. Yeah, so no, and then I went to the corner store last night, and the corner store was telling me that they weren't coming down today. And I didn't even think to get no snacks and shit. That's because people be fucking with me. Fucking with me. For no goddamn reason. Boy calling me and shit. Leave me alone. Damn. You not supposed to call nobody. You supposed to wait till they call you any goddamn way. But I did do a little DoorDash order. I got them some TV dinners. I guess I'll share my snack with him. Here, boy, here goes some donuts. They had a bag. It ain't gonna, oh, you see? That's why he always looking for snacks.